Now we're going to use the Ultimate Spray Polish. This is something you want to use sparingly. You don't want to use it every day. If you use it incorrectly, meaning too much at one time, or you don't buff it in, or you use it too often, it can generate a film. But we're going to just mist it on the surface. Okay? Same thing with one side of the towel. You're gonna do a little bit smaller areas at a time than you would with the cleaner. And this is something that you're definitely gonna want to check on. And you just get down and look at the light, flip it over, and let it dry. For this product, we reached a peak formulation, or what we found works the best way. And with that comes the fact that this only works well with microfiber or like a lamp wool bonnet on a machine. It does not work with terry cloth or paper towel very well at all. So just a little note there. Just to mist the product. Just make sure it gets worked in. Flip it. And buff it. And that's literally all you need.